Okay, let's do a few examples on inches, feet, yards, and miles. So we want to convert. You will need your multiplication skills for this. So we know that 12 inches equals to 1 foot, and 3 feet equals to 1 yard. Now we want to convert 6 feet into inches. So what you would do is there's 12 inches in a 1 foot. So all you do is to figure this out would be 12 inches. 12 inches times the 6 feet to figure out how many inches in total we have. So 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus the 1 is 7. So my answer here would be 6 feet equals 72 inches. So that's my final answer right there. Now I have 11 feet equals how many inches? So what you would do is just to figure this out is do 12 inches times 11 feet, and you would figure out your answer. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Put a 0 here. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So our final answer to this would be 132 inches. So 11 feet equals 132 inches. So that's the final answer for this. Now we want to multiply for the next one. We have 4 times 4 feet and 4 inches. And that equals to blank feet and blank inches. So first I want to multiply 4 times 4 feet separately, which is going to give me 16 feet. And then I'm going to multiply the 4 here times the 4 inches here separately. So 4 times 4 inches is going to give me 16 inches. Now I need to convert 16 inches to feet and inches. So you know that 12 inches equals 1 foot. So I have 1 foot and 4 inches, the remaining 4 inches. As you can see, 1 foot is 12 inches plus the 4 inches here is going to give me 16 inches. So now I have 16 feet and I have 1 foot and 4 inches, and I basically add this up. So 16 plus 1 is 17 feet plus the 4 inches remaining. So my final answer to this would be 17 feet and 4 inches as my final answer to this right here. Which is the longer distance? 2 miles, 300 feet, or 13,000 feet? So first we need to convert the 2 miles and the 300 feet to just feet. So you know that 1 mile equals to 5,280 feet. So what you would do is to figure out 2 miles is do 5,280 feet times the 2 miles to figure out your total amount of feet. 0 times 2 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus the 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So now I have 10,560 feet. Now plus the remaining 300 feet. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and 6 plus 0 is 6, and 5 plus 3 is 8, and 10 plus 0 is 10. So now I have 10,860 feet compared to the 13,000 feet that we have. And which one is a longer distance? Of course the 13,000 feet is the longer distance. It's the bigger one. So this is greater than. So 13,000 feet is a longer distance than 10,860 feet. So that's the final answer to that. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here